Anonymous says it is hacking entire Russian television channels now. Now, I heard about this, but it was in dispute. I saw it on Reddit, and people were like, no, it wasn't hacked. They say, oh, look, here's video footage of the channels being hacked in Russia. And then somebody disputed it and said, no, it can't be. Look at the ticker. This is somewhere else. And they're just claiming that's the case. But I saw this post on Futurism, and I was like, maybe we have some evidence that they've broken through. After declaring cyber war against the Russian government last week, famed hacker group Anonymous says it's now hacking Russian TV and streaming services. The hacking collective Anonymous hacked into the Russian streaming services Wink and Ivy, which are like Netflix, and live TV channels Russia 24 and Channel 1 Moscow 24 to broadcast war footage from Ukraine today. An account associated with the group tweeted over the weekend. Okay, so this is more recent than when I was reading about it. The tweet was accompanied by a video of what indeed appears to be war footage from Ukraine interrupting Russian news broadcasts. A message at the end claims that ordinary Russians are against the war, calling an end to Russia's violent invasion of Ukraine. Is it all just meaningless hacktivism or a consequential effort to stand up to Russia's aggressions? It's impossible to know. They claim to be, listen, it's the thing about this Anonymous group is it has obviously changed over the years, the group of people involved. And under the heading of Anonymous, that kind of, it's capable of acquiring new hacker talent at any given moment. Mm-hmm. Anyone who wants to contribute, I presume.
And it could be anyone.
That's the thing.
There's no central figure.
That's the thing. So have they been successful or not? I suppose only people in Russia can comment because pretty much anything can be faked and screenshots and video clips and, you know, it's hard to know. We're just looking at a TV. It sure seems like a Russian channel being broadcast, but, you know, you can see the menu system that they're showing off. This is 1.3 million views. But I guarantee if you scroll down, someone's going to dispute it. It's just the internet, man. Scroll down. Let's see. Top comment. I'm in dispute of this. This is the video they should see.
Oh, this is the little girl in a bunker singing
wow.
Let It Go.
That's 7.5 million views. Wow. Yeah. Anyway, listen. It speaks to the thing that we had been talking about how you have the information war going on, about how important it is the messages that are making their way back and forth across borders, and how that has the potential to alter public opinion, which has the potential to alter outcomes eventually. So it is incredibly important what these messages are and what people are able to see in relationship to what's actually happening. It's key. Mm-hmm. So listen, man, if Anonymous is capable of getting messages through to people who otherwise wouldn't, that content would be held back from them, and it's footage of real life events, and there can be some level of transparency on that. Seems like a hard thing to do sustainably, though. Mm-hmm. You have to believe loopholes would be closed, and it's a pretty powerful prospect, though, to think about, that you could take over these really big Russian TV channels.
Like nowadays.
It's a pretty crazy thought, actually. You could broadcast anything. Mm-hmm. But I don't know, maybe you got to believe that those days are numbered. You got to believe on the Russian side, they're now employing the counterparties to
anti-hack,
hack the hackers. Mm-hmm. Anyway,